Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to link to another page in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and there are a bunch of different ways that you can link to other pages in your website. So for example, you can use your menu right here in the header section so that you can link other pages right here for the users to click so that they will be redirected to that page. So just select the menu right here and then click on Manage Menu. Then from here, you will just add an item, and then click on Site Pages, and then you can go ahead and choose the page that you want to add. So for example, I want to add the Terms and Conditions page, click on Add to Menu, and then it will be automatically added to my menu right here in the header. So another way that you can link to other pages is that you can use the elements from Wix. So for example, I have here an image, a text, and then a button. So all of this can be used to link to other pages. So for example, I've just changed the text into the About page, and then the Services page. Then I'll just adjust its size. Then I'll also change the text for this button. So from here, in order to link to other pages, you can just select the element that you want to use, and then you will select this link button right here that looks like a chain. So click on it, and then from here, make sure that the option is page, and then we will choose the specific page that we want it to be linked. So for example, I want it to link to the About page, and then you can also choose if the link will open in a new window or in the current window. But I'll just choose the current window and then click on Done. And then you can do the same thing for this text right here, but what you need to do is that you need to highlight the word that you want to have a link. So for example, I will highlight this About word right here, click on the link icon, and then choose the About page, and then click on Done. Then for the Services page, what I'll do now is that I will highlight all of it, click on the link icon, and then choose the Services page, and then I will open it in a new window. Click on Done, and then that is it. You can notice that whenever I add a link to a text, there will be an underline below it. So that means that this word is clickable, and then they are a link. If you don't want the underline to be appearing, you can just highlight the word, go to Inspector tool right here, and then just click on the underline so that it is not selected. But still, this will still be a clickable link for the users to click on, even though it doesn't have the underline. And then for the button right here, just do the same thing. And I will choose the Services page, click on Done, and then we can test this out. Click on the preview so that we can preview the website. Then first the menu, since we added the terms and conditions. As you can see, I can click on it, and then it will lead me to the terms and conditions page. So going back to the home page, I can also click on the image right here. Then it should lead me to the About page. And as you can see, we are now in the About page. Going back, I can click on this text. And then when I hover my mouse here to the page word right here in the About page, it doesn't let me click on it since I didn't highlight this when I created the link. So I can only click on the About word, and then it will lead me to the About page. And then next, for the Services page, since I highlighted all of it, I can click anywhere from here from the two words in the services page. And then when I click on it, it will lead me to the services page. Let's click on it again. And then, since I made this link into open to a new window, I can only open it when I click on the publish site. So first, I'll just test this out for the button right here for the services page. And then you can see that it leads me to the services page. And lastly, I will now publish the site so that you can see this services page text right here. Now that I have published the site, let's go to the site right here. And then we can now click on this services page text right here. And then it will open in another tab, since that is what we had done to the settings. And then that's it. That is how we link other pages in Wix Studio. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.